It is a new morning, a new chance, a new opportunity, a new starting. Do not let yesterday's worries come along. Get ready. Wake up, you have to run. Not to compete to others, but to compete with yourself. Your yesterday and your past. But do not hurry. Keep your calm and enjoy this journey, because this is not a race, but a marathon. Go slow, because the marathon of life is all about enjoying the way, the path you are walking on. Experience all the small things around you, the nature, the people, the struggles of life, and its beauties as well. Do not hurry, because at the end you will regret and miss what you are ignoring today. To achieve something bigger, do not miss on the small joys of life. Enjoy every phase of it. Trust in the Lord and do good. Dwell in the land and enjoy safe pasture. A joyful heart is a good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Do not be anxious about your life, what you will eat or drink, nor about your body, or what will you put on. Life is much more than just clothes, fancy food and drinks. Finding joy in everyday life and feeling an overall sense of happiness towards life are two goals many strive for. Trusting that God has a handle on our lives is our only source of hope. You should find comfort in the idea that He knows what He is doing. A person that trusts God and believes in Him always will be in God's grace, unlike the person who does not and goes against the teachings. And if you have put your full trust in God, you will be granted happiness, and do not worry about misfortune. Type Amen and start this new day with joy in your head and smile on your face.